Classical philosophy and quantum philosophy are two fundamentally different ways of understanding reality. Classical philosophy is based on the idea that the universe is composed of physical matter that can be observed and measured objectively. This view emphasizes the separation between the observer and the observed and assumes that the universe operates according to deterministic laws. Quantum philosophy, on the other hand, suggests that the universe is fundamentally uncertain and that the act of observation plays an integral role in shaping reality. It is based on the principles of quantum mechanics, which challenge traditional notions of causality, determinism, and objectivity. Quantum philosophy emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things and the idea that the observer and the observed are fundamentally entangled. Here are some more specific ways in which classical and quantum philosophy differ. Nature of reality. Classical philosophy views reality as composed of physical matter that exists objectively, independent of any observer. Quantum philosophy posits that reality is fundamentally uncertain and that the act of observation plays a key role in shaping reality. Causality. Classical philosophy assumes that there is a cause and effect relationship between events, and that this relationship is deterministic. Quantum philosophy challenges this notion, suggesting that causality is probabilistic and that events can be influenced by a range of factors, including the act of observation. Objectivity. Classical philosophy emphasizes the importance of objectivity in understanding reality. Quantum philosophy, on the other hand, suggests that objectivity is an illusion and that the observer and the observed are fundamentally entangled. Interconnectedness. Quantum philosophy emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things, suggesting that there is a web of relationships between objects and events that is constantly in flux. Classical philosophy tends to emphasize the separation between objects and events. Human potential. Quantum philosophy suggests that humans have the potential to co-create reality through the power of their thoughts and intentions. Classical philosophy tends to view humans as passive observers of reality. Overall, the differences between classical and quantum philosophy are profound and reflect a fundamental shift in our understanding of the nature of reality. While classical philosophy has provided us with many valuable insights into the workings of the world, quantum philosophy offers a new and exciting way of looking at the universe that has the potential to transform our understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. Quantum philosophy: space, time, and entanglement. Quantum philosophy is a field of study that seeks to understand the fundamental nature of reality using the principles of quantum mechanics. One of the key concepts in quantum philosophy is the relationship between space, time, and entanglement. In classical philosophy, space and time are viewed as separate and distinct concepts. Space is considered to be the three-dimensional arena in which all objects and events occur, while time is seen as a linear progression of events that moves forward in a continuous and unbroken fashion. In contrast, quantum philosophy suggests that space and time are intimately connected and interdependent. According to quantum mechanics, space and time are not absolute but rather are relative to the observer and the system being observed. This means that the concept of space-time is a unified entity that cannot be separated into distinct parts. Additionally, quantum mechanics predicts the existence of entanglement, which is a phenomenon where two particles can become inextricably linked, regardless of the distance between them. This means that when one particle is measured, the state of the other particle is instantly known, even if it is on the other side of the universe. In quantum philosophy, the concept of entanglement is viewed as a fundamental aspect of reality that connects all things in the universe. It suggests that the universe is a unified whole, with all parts connected and interacting with each other. Overall, the relationship between space, time, and entanglement in quantum philosophy challenges traditional notions of reality and suggests a more interconnected and unified view of the universe. Quantum philosophy is a field of study that seeks to understand the nature of reality by utilizing the principles of quantum mechanics. At its core, quantum philosophy suggests that the universe is a dynamic, interconnected system where everything is composed of energy and vibrations. The implications of this understanding are vast and far-reaching, including the ways in which we perceive and interact with the world around us. One of the key tenets of quantum philosophy is that reality is not objective, but rather a co-creation between the observer and the observed. This means that our perception and interpretation of reality plays a role in shaping the physical world around us. By understanding the power of our thoughts and intentions, we can influence the probabilities of possible outcomes and co-create our own reality. The relationship between quantum philosophy and quantum psychology is a close one, as both fields seek to understand the nature of human consciousness and its interaction with the quantum field. Quantum psychology expands upon the idea of human potential, positing that our consciousness and energy field are non-local, meaning they are not bound by physical space and time. This allows us to interact with the quantum field and co-create reality in ways that transcend traditional understandings of our limitations. The integration of quantum mechanics and human consciousness has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of reality and our place within it. By recognizing our interconnectedness with the world around us, we can begin to see ourselves as co-creators of our own reality, with the power to shape and influence the world around us. This understanding has the potential to change our perceptions and behaviors, leading to a more peaceful and harmonious world. One of the most significant ways in which quantum philosophy can change human evolution is by emphasizing the role of free will in the co-creation of reality. Our thoughts and intentions can either block or enhance the flow of the creative flux, which is the mechanism through which we interact with the quantum field. By taking responsibility for our thoughts and actions, we can create positive outcomes and influence the probabilities of possible realities. It is important to note that the power of our thoughts and intentions is not limited to the individual level. Our collective consciousness and energy fields can also interact with the quantum field and influence the physical world around us. This understanding underscores the importance of creating a foundation of peaceful human interpersonal relationships and interactions, as our collective thoughts and actions can have a significant impact on the world as a whole. In conclusion, quantum philosophy offers a unique and powerful framework for understanding the nature of reality and our place within it. By embracing the principles of quantum mechanics and recognizing the power of our thoughts and intentions, we have the potential to co-create a more peaceful, harmonious, and positive reality.